Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to learn usage of ku or ki suffix in Telugu. In Telugu, you will have to add ki or ku as suffix to the noun in the subject. Most of the expressions which use the nominative case in English need to use dative case in Telugu. For example, I am thirsty. Naku dahamga undi. Here, I am in Telugu became Naku. Both ku or ki are interchangeable forms. Here are the dative case forms for all persons. Nenu plus ku becomes Naku. Memu plus ku becomes Maku. Manamu plus ku becomes Manaku. Manamu plus ki becomes Manaki. When dative case is used in subject, then it is used as I am. If it is used in object, it is used as me. The same will be applicable for plural as well. Neevu plus ku becomes Neeku. Meeru plus ku becomes Meeku. Atadu plus ki becomes Atadiki. Itadu plus ki becomes Itadiki. Vaadu plus ki Vadiki. Veedu plus ki becomes Veediki. Ayana plus ki becomes Ayanaki. Iyana plus ki becomes Iyanaki. Ayana plus ku becomes Ayanaku. Iyana plus ku becomes Iyanaku. Ame plus ki becomes Ameki. Ime plus ki becomes Imeki. Ame plus ku becomes Ameku. Ime plus ku becomes Imeku. Avida plus ki becomes Avidaki. Evida plus ki becomes Evidaki. Avida plus ku becomes Avidaku. Evida plus ku becomes Evidaku. Adi plus ki becomes Daniki. Idi plus ki becomes Diniki. Varu plus ki becomes Variki. Veeru plus ki becomes Veeriki. Vallu plus ki becomes Vallaki. Veellu plus ki becomes Veellaki. Vallu plus ku becomes Vallaku. Veellu plus ku becomes Veellaku. Avi plus ki becomes Vatiki. Ivi plus ki becomes Veetiki. Some rules for using ku or ki suffix in Telugu. The rules are same as for nu and ni. Both first person and second person only use ku, but not ki. Except for ayana, the respect form of he, ki is used. Both ki and ku are used for ayana. All forms of she use both ki and ku. The third person singular form of it only follows ki, but not ku. All plural forms of they follow ki. Only vallu or veellu form use both ki and ku.